Here's how to factory reset your Google Chromecast or Chromecast Ultra. First, plug the Chromecast into a power outlet. Then press and hold this button beside the LED light and hold for about 5 seconds, and then release. The LED will flicker and change colors for about 30 to 45 seconds, and once the LED eventually stays solid white, then you know the Chromecast has been reset to its factory settings. The other way to do this is through the Google Home app. With the Chromecast plugged into your TV, open the app, then tap on your device. Then tap the settings icon, then tap the 3 dots, then tap on Factory Reset. Are you sure you want to reset the device to factory settings? Tap Reset. After a moment, you'll see on your TV, it tells you that the device is restarting. We've sped this footage up a little bit, but once it does eventually boot back up, it takes a few minutes to actually reset the Chromecast. Then once the reset is done, you'll see the setup screen back on your TV and the device has been factory restored. It now shows up as a new local device in the app. If this video helped you out, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Radial Tech for more tips and tricks, tutorials, and tech reviews.